Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are turning the spotlight on XPL, the native token of the new Plasma stablecoin-focused blockchain, and let me tell you, things are heating up. Right now, XPL is seeing massive attention. The token recently rocketed in price. In some trading venues like the decentralized derivatives platform Hyperliquid, it spiked as much as 200% in minutes, triggering liquidations of over $17 million in short positions. That sudden volatility drew headlines, because those kinds of moves don't happen without big forces behind them. So what caused this pump? First, whales played a huge role. Reports suggest that one or more large players aggressively bought up XPL in markets with thin liquidity, pushing the price upward and triggering cascade effects. Some analyses estimate that 4 whale addresses netted $47 to $48 million in profits during this run. The arbitrage between exchanges and derivative markets magnified the move, exposing how fragile early-stage token markets can be. Second, the hype around Plasma's upcoming launch and strong tokenomics is adding fuel. The project previously raised over $1 billion in deposits in anticipation of the XPL token sale, exceeding earlier targets. The sale was set for July 17th, allocating 10% of the total XPL supply to participants, with deposits locked ahead of the sale. And now, Plasma's mainnet beta is officially live as of September 25th, with over $2 billion in stablecoin liquidity and 100-plus DoFi integrations already building up. With all that in motion, people are expecting XPL to take off further as adoption begins. It's viewed not just as a speculative token, but as a foundational piece of a new stablecoin-centric financial infrastructure. Looking ahead, where could XPL go? In the short term, assuming momentum remains, targets in the $1.50 to $2.50 range are plausible, especially if bull runs in overall crypto markets help lift everything. Some already see a path toward $3 plus in more aggressive scenarios, particularly if Plasma's integrations take off, liquidity grows, and usage of the network rises. However, there are big risks to watch. The token is still fresh, liquidity is uneven across exchanges, and any regulatory pressure on stablecoin networks could be impactful. Plus, the earlier pump driven by whales shows how vulnerable price action is to manipulation in early phases. If sentiment turns, we might see sharp pullbacks to supports in the 80 cents to $1.20 zone, or lower on weaker sentiment. In summary, XPL is riding on a wave of anticipation, large capital inflows, and strong ecosystem promise. The mainnet launch was a critical milestone, and now all eyes will be on adoption, stablecoin flows, and DoFi integrations. If Plasma delivers, XPL could be one of the high flyers this cycle, but it's still high risk, high reward.